Hello guys, welcome back to tutorial millennial channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a filmy effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open the CapCut and click on new project and add the photo that you want to edit, because because the effect just only for the photo. So just click on the photo that you want to edit, click add at the bottom. In here you can click on the photo, click on it, and at the menu you can swipe until you can see on the style, this one, and at the menu you can swipe again until you can see Evil Me effect, this one. Click on it, please waiting, and finish. After this you can click on the check icon at the bottom. Finish. So that's how to add Evil Me effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.